Hi, I'm Adam Benson, Director of Support Services at Salient Systems, and we're back again with another frequently asked question for Complete View 2020. So there may be times in the life of a VMS system where the underlying recording server hardware might need some form of system replacement. Perhaps there was a malicious software attack and you need to do a system restore. Maybe there's a hardware failure and the unit needs to be replaced entirely, or some component might need an upgrade and it causes you to lose access to the configuration that's on that machine. To accomplish this, it's actually very simple with Complete View 2020, and that's because a copy of the recording server configuration lives in the management server in its database. So to bring that recording server back online and restore that configuration, simply ensure your new recording server is online, it has the software installed, and the recording server service is running. Pushing the configuration is done by hitting the Save button in the upper right-hand corner. It'll take the copy of the config from management server and push it to the recording server. It's important to note, don't hit the Reconnect button underneath the username and password and IP address, because that will pull whatever configuration is on your recording server into the database. Hitting the Save button in the upper right-hand corner pushes what's in the management server database to your restored recording server.